Tired of cereal breakfast? You have to try my Taiwanese egg pancakes. It's a traditional recipe with my personal twist. It's packed with eggy flavor and smells amazing. Let's get into it. We start by mixing the batter. Strong white flour and potato starch. You can swap it with tapioca starch or simply increase the amount of strong white flour. 1 egg. Top up with a little bit water until the total liquid is 60 grams. A little bit of salt. Whisk it until smooth and runny. By swapping water with the egg, the pancake becomes more aromatic and has less raw flour taste. If you are using a stainless pan as me, we heat up the pan first. When you see water droplets dance on the surface, it's hot enough. Turn off the heat, add oil, let the oil run through the surface. Turn the fire to a low heat, add the butter when you see it shimmering. Just swirl it a little bit. When the top is mostly set, turn it over. In the meantime, we crack another egg. Add a bit salt. You can add some spring onions here, but I usually skip it. When you see it's slightly brown, we remove it from the pan. Drop the egg. Also swirl it a little bit. Immediately put the pancake back in so they can stick together. We let it cook for about 1 minute until the egg is set. While we are waiting, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I share or remake one recipe every single week. Flip it over. Add some black pepper if you like. We just continue cook until it's your desired color. Roll it over. It's ready! Cut them into smaller pieces. Today I'm gonna eat it with my chili soy sauce. It's very simple to make. Simply chop chilies, soak them in soy sauce for 2 to 3 days. If you like eggs, you must try this. It's so aromatic and nutritious as well. It's also very versatile. You can fill any topping in it, like ham, cheese, kimchi, or even tuna mayo. If you like this recipe, please hit that subscribe button and check my other Taiwanese cooking videos.